Hi friends, my name is �𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀𝐩𝐩 from Fintech Monster. Today I will show you USA full verified PayPal account with document submitted, restore back, link with credit card and bank account. Let's start the video. This is my full verified PayPal account. The debit card is already linked. Now I am confirm my bank account. This is Boulevard bank account. Click to confirm. Go to my Boulevard account and check transaction history for PayPal sent to a small amount. This is my Boulevard bank account. Go to main account. Click view all transaction. Here is two deposits sent from PayPal. First deposit 0.15 cent, second deposit 0.07 cent. Now go to my PayPal account, click confirm bank, enter first deposit, enter second deposit, click to confirm. Yahoo! My bank account is successfully linked. Click to done. Go to dashboard. Now this PayPal account is full verified. Bank and card too is successfully linked. This bank account is also SSN linking and submit document. Check the document file. Thanks, you are all set. This account is fully verified. Go to my mail, check. PayPal needs some information for me and submit the information. PayPal the information being reviewed. After review, the account is restored and limit all PayPal limit. The PayPal account is fully verified and payment sent and received from anywhere, all over the country. The account is ID verified, bank and card linking, mobile phone verified. Also link real SSN. If you buy this full verified PayPal account, go to digitalvirtualshop.com. This website is fully authentic and deliver your product 1 to 24 hours. This is PayPal account fully US verified. Click to the link. This account international price is S30 and Bangladeshi people price 2700 BD. And see buy now. Click buy now. You can sign up this from and click place order. This site accepts international payment, Bitcoin, Web Money, Binance and PayPal payment. Bangladeshi payment accepts bKash, Rocket, and Nogod. You can sign in also Facebook and Google login. I can sign in Google login. See the international payment. You can select any other country. Payment show is international. Bitcoin, Wave Money, Binance, and PayPal. If you Bangladeshi people, select country Bangladesh. And see the Bangladeshi payment gateway. bKash, Rocket, Nogod. This is manual payment system. You can payment first this bKash number and enter your bKash number and transaction ID and place the order. If you international people, you can use Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. This is auto payment gateway. Click to order. Select Bitcoin. You can send Bitcoin this URL and scan the QR code and your phone. Confirm the payment. The order is automatically processed. If you use other payment gateway, Wave Money, Binance, and PayPal, this is manual payment gateway. You can send the money first this address and fill up your email address and transaction ID and place the order. The PayPal ID is fully US verified and restore back and full ID card and photo ID verified. If you need it, from buy only on digitalvirtualshop.com. Now the video is in today. Tata, bye bye. See you on the next video.